Welcome to our Islamic history video. Today, we will take you on a journey through the rich and diverse history of the Islamic world. From its origins in the Arabian Peninsula to its expansion across 3 continents, we will explore the key events and figures that have shaped the Islamic civilization. Our story begins in the early 7th century, with the revelation of the Quran to the Prophet Muhammad in Mecca. This marked the beginning of Islam, a monotheistic faith that would soon spread throughout the Arabian Peninsula and beyond. Under the leadership of the 4 rightly guided caliphs, the Islamic community, or Ummah, expanded rapidly, conquering new territories and converting diverse populations to the new faith. The Islamic Golden Age, from the 8th to the 14th century, was a time of remarkable cultural, intellectual, and scientific advancements. Islamic scholars made groundbreaking discoveries in fields such as medicine, mathematics, astronomy, and philosophy. The House of Wisdom in Baghdad became a center of learning and a hub for the translation of ancient Greek texts, preserving and passing on valuable knowledge to future generations. The Islamic world has also been home to great empires such as the Umayyad, Abbasid, and Ottoman empires, which left a lasting impact on the regions they ruled. These empires were known for their architectural marvels, such as the Dome of the Rock in Jerusalem and the Blue Mosque in Istanbul, as well as their contributions to the arts, literature, and governance. Throughout its history, the Islamic world has been a beacon of learning, tolerance, and coexistence. Muslim scholars preserved and expanded upon the knowledge of ancient civilizations, while also developing new innovations. Islamic civilizations were known for their pluralistic societies, where people of different faiths and backgrounds lived and worked together harmoniously. Our video will also shed light on the diverse cultures and traditions within the Islamic world, from the beautiful calligraphy and intricate geometric patterns of Islamic art to the rich tapestry of culinary delights and music that have flourished in Muslim-majority societies. In conclusion, the history of Islam is a testament to the ingenuity, resilience, and creativity of the people who have contributed to its development over the centuries. We hope that this video will provide you with a deeper understanding and appreciation of the Islamic world and its profound impact on global history and civilization. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Islamic history.